Okay, for example number 4, a manufacturer of chocolates produce 3 times as many soft-scented chocolates as hard-scented ones. Assuming that the chocolates are randomly distributed within boxes of chocolates, find the probability that in a box containing 10 chocolates, there are an equal number of soft-scented and hard-scented chocolates. Okay, so mention here 3 times as many soft-scented chocolate as hard-scented chocolate. So you have the ratio of soft-scented and hard-scented. Soft-scented is 3 while the hard-scented is 1. So the probability of soft-scented is actually 0.75 and the hard-scented is 0.25. So what is the random variable X? X is the number of hard-scented chocolate. And then X is following binomial distribution with the total number of chocolate that you have is 10 and the probability of hard-scented chocolate is 0.25. Okay. Then question asks equal number of soft-scented and hard-scented chocolate. So equal number means among 10, 5 is hard-scented, another 5 is soft-scented chocolate. So X is equivalent to 5. Just substitute into the binomial formula 10C5, 0.25 power of 5 and 0.75 power of 5. Then you have the answer 0.0584. Okay, for part B, you have fewer than 3 hard-scented chocolate. So the question mentioned about hard-scented, that's why your random variable X just now is number of hard-scented chocolate. Fewer than 3 meaning that X is less than 3. So how to refer to the binomial table? Make sure you convert to the at least symbol. So this one is also equal to 1 minus probability of X is more or equivalent to 3. Meaning that the question asks you to find 0, 1 and 2 only. So the unwanted event is 3 onwards. So this value just find from the binomial table. Then you have the answer of 0.5256. Okay, the next question. A random sample of 5 boxes is taken. Find the probability that exactly 3 of them contain fewer than 3 hard-scented chocolates. So in this case, you have the new random variable. Let's say we denote as Y. Y is the number of box contain less than 3 hard-scented chocolate. Because this is mentioned in the question, fewer than 3 hard-scented chocolate. And then random variable Y follows binomial distribution. You have total number of box taken is 5. The probability of success event is the answer from the previous part, which is 0.5256. This is the probability that the box contain less than 3 hard-scented chocolate. So question asks, out of 5, you have exactly 3 contain fewer than 3 hard-scented chocolate. So you have probability of Y equal to 3. Equal to, just substitute into the binomial formula. So you have 5C3, P power of 3 and Q power of 2. Then you have the answer 0.3268. Okay, the last one. A large box of chocolates contains 100 chocolates. Using a suitable approximation, estimate the probability that it contains fewer than 21 hard-scented chocolates. So right now your random variable X is number of hard-scented chocolate. And the n value will be 100. Probability of success event is 0.25, similar to question part A just now. So the question mentioned using suitable approximation. So you cannot use binomial method. So what is the approximation from binomial? You have 2, Poisson or normal. So check one by one. For Poisson, this is the condition. N is more than 50. So your N is 100. Which is satisfied the first condition. P is less than 0.1. So your P here is 0.25. So this is not satisfy the condition to use Poisson approximation. So you cannot use Poisson. Move to the second one, normal. Can you use normal? Check the NP value. This is the NP value, 25. So satisfy the first condition, which is mu is 25. And then P must be in between 0.1 up until 0.9. Your P is 0.25. Also satisfy the second condition. So you can use normal approximation method. So how to use normal? Make sure you have the parameter for normal, which is mu and also variance. So variance is NPQ. If you substitute into this formula, you have 18.75. So in this question, you are using normal approximation from the binomial question with the mean of 25 and the variance is 18.75. Okay, the question asks x less than 21. So the first step will be continuity correction. What is the continuity correction value? 21 meaning that starting from 20 and below. So your continuity correction will be 20.5. And the second step is convert to the standard normal. Substitute into the formula minus mu over by sigma. Then you have the z value is less than negative 1.04. So you can illustrate in the bell-shaped graph. This is the area of less than negative 1.04. And then how to refer to the table? Remember, this is symmetric. So refer to the right side of your table, which is 1.04 from your table. The answer is 0.1492.